Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your digital assets with Coinbase, full guide step by step clearly. Create a Coinbase account by visiting the official website or downloading the app from your device's app store. Click on Get Started to begin the registration process. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. Verify your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Provide your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and address. Submit identification by uploading a government-issued ID for verification. Once your identity is verified, enable two-factor authentication for added security. Go to your account settings and navigate to the Security section. Choose a reliable 2FA method, such as SMS or an authentication app. When prompted, enter the verification code sent to your device. Link your bank account or credit card to your Coinbase account for easy transactions. Choose your preferred payment method and complete the linking process. To secure your digital assets, consider using a hardware wallet. Purchase a reputable hardware wallet and follow the manufacturer's setup instructions. Transfer your cryptocurrency from Coinbase to your hardware wallet for enhanced security. To do this, go to the Accounts section on Coinbase. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer and click on Send. Enter the wallet address from your hardware wallet and specify the amount. Confirm the transaction and review any network fees involved. Monitor your transactions through both your Coinbase account and your hardware wallet. Regularly update your passwords and enable alerts for any account activity. Educate yourself about phishing attempts and how to recognize them. Stay informed about security updates from Coinbase and cybersecurity best practices. Create backup copies of your wallet recovery phrases in a safe place. Maintain vigilance and review your account regularly for any unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can secure your digital assets effectively with Coinbase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.